David, wake up.
I'm sleepy, Mom.
It's 9 o'clock.
Do I need to get up?
Yes, it's morning now.
But I have no work today.
I know, but don't sleep all day.
Okay. I'm getting up.
Go wash your face.
All right, Mom.
Mom, where's my phone?
I don't know, dear. Did you look in your room?
Yes, I looked everywhere.
Did you look under the bed?
Yes, I did. It's not there.
Did you check the living room?
No, not yet.
Go check. Maybe you left it on the sofa.
Oh, right. I was watching TV.
Go look on the sofa or maybe under a pillow.
Okay, I'll go check.
Let me know if you find it.
Mom, I found it.
Where was it?
Under the pillow on the sofa.
See, I told you to check there.
You were right, Mom.
You always lose your phone.
I know. I'm sorry.
Next time, put it in one place.
I'll try. I don't want to lose it again.
Good idea. Maybe get a small basket for your phone.
That's smart. I can keep it on my desk.
Great. Now go wash your hands. It's time to eat.
Okay, Mom. And thanks for helping me.
Anytime, sweetheart. David, are you okay?
No, Mom. I feel sick.
What hurts?
My head and my throat.
Do you have a fever?
I don't know. Maybe.
Let me check.
Okay.
Yes, you have a fever.
I feel hot and tired.
You should see a doctor.
Today?
Yes, I will call now.
Thank you, Mom.
The doctor can see you at 3 p.m.
That's good.
Drink some water.
Okay.
Do you want soup?
Yes, please.
Rest on the sofa.
I will.
I'll get your medicine.
Thank you.
We will go at 2:30.
All right.
Don't worry, you will be okay.
I hope so.
After the doctor, you can rest more.
Sounds good.
I will take care of you.
You are the best, Mom.
David, it's 2:30 now.
Okay. I'm ready.
Let's go to the clinic.
I hope I feel better soon.
You will. The doctor will help.
Do we need to wait?
Maybe a little. We are on time.
That's good.
Hello. What is your name?
This is David.
Please sit and wait.
Thank you. Are you feeling worse?
A little. My head still hurts.
Don't worry. The doctor is kind.
That's nice to hear.
David, please come in.
Okay. Let's go.
Hello, David. What's the problem?
I have a headache and sore throat.
Let me check you.
Okay.
You have a small fever.
Is it serious?
No, it's a cold.
What should I do?
Take this medicine. Rest for 2 to 3 days.
Can I go to school?
No, stay home and sleep.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
I will. Thanks again.
Now I'll go rest.
Yes, Mom. I'm tired.
I'll bring your medicine and soup.
You are so kind.
I love you, son.
I love you too, Mom. Mom, it's raining.
Yes, it is.
Can we go outside?
No, Alex. It's too wet.
I want to play.
You can play inside.
I'm bored.
Let's do something fun.
Like what?
Let's bake cookies.
Cookies? Yay!
Go wash your hands.
Okay. I'm ready.
We need flour, sugar, and eggs.
Here is the flour.
Good job. Now the sugar.
Got it. What next?
Crack 2 eggs.
1, 2.
Now mix everything.
It looks funny.
Yes, but it will taste good.
Can I eat now?
Not yet. We must bake them.
How long?
About 15 minutes.
I'm hungry.
Let's clean the table while we wait.
Okay, I'll help.
Thank you, Alex.
The cookies smell so good.
Yes, almost ready.
Can I have 2?
You can have 3?
Yay! I love rainy days.
Me too, with you. Did you wash your face?
Yes. I feel fresh now.
Are you hungry?
Yes. Very hungry.
I made eggs and toast.
Thank you. It smells good.
Sit down and eat.
Okay.
What will you do today?
Maybe clean my room.
Good. Your room is messy.
Yes, I know. I will clean it.
Also, do your laundry.
Yes, Mom. I will do it.
After that, you can rest.
Maybe I will watch a movie.
Not too long.
Just one movie.
Help me with dinner later.
Sure.
Eat your food now.
I'm eating. It's tasty.
After breakfast, clean your room.
Okay, Mom. I will start soon.
Good boy.
Thanks, Mom. You are the best.
Daniel, can we talk for a minute?
Sure, Mom. What's going on?
Nothing bad. I just want to talk.
Okay. I'm listening.
You've been quiet these days.
Yeah. I've been thinking a lot
About what, honey?
about my life, my future.
That's normal. You're 20 now.
I know. I feel a little lost.
Lost how?
I don't know what I really want.
You don't have to know everything now.
But everyone else seems so sure.
People only look sure. Inside, they worry too.
Really? Even you and Dad?
Of course. When I was 20, I had many questions too.
I just feel pressure.
From who?
From school, from work, from myself.
It's okay to feel that way.
I don't want to disappoint you.
Daniel, you never disappoint me.
Even if I change my plans?
Yes, I care about you, not just your plans.
That helps. Thanks, Mom.
Do you want to take a break?
Maybe a small one. Just to breathe.
That's smart. Rest is important.
I'll still work, just not too much.
Balance is good.
I'll try my best.
That's all I ask. I'm proud of you.
Even now?
Yes, you are kind, honest, and strong.
Thanks, Mom. I needed this talk.
Anytime, I'm always here.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!